All right, we are going to talk about water spots. You see those water spots? They are not coming off. Okay, we're going to take WaterSpot Killer with the microfiber pad, and then we're going to wash it off with Speedcoat. All right, you guys ready? All right, so first we're going to put a little bit of WaterSpot Killer on here. We'll do a square pattern. How's that? All right. Let that sit for a moment. And then we're going to decon it with the Speedcoat and a damp microfiber towel. You see how there's a little bit of water in there? All right. You see how that worked? Wow. And we're going to dry it off with a dry towel. And that stuff is perfect. Look at that. Look at that. Let's zoom in. Let's do the edge.